or go somewhere else if they're trying to scam you. Hey guys, it's Nate. So when you get a check engine light on your car, first thing you need to figure out is what's wrong with it. So you can take your car to an auto store and they'll scan it for free, or you can get a device and you can do it yourself. Basically what you need is an ODB2 scanner. This is just a generic one. This will work most of the time if it's an engine problem, but if you have a problem with a module that's not part of the engine, or the powertrain, like your braking system, your ABS system, you're gonna need something that can scan those modules. So this is the one I prefer. It's called Blue Driver. I'll put a link to it in the description. But basically how you do this is you plug this into your ODB2 port. Where's your ODB2 port? It is usually underneath the steering wheel area. So down here you're gonna find something that accepts a plug like this. Plug it in. Right, there's a blue light that'll come on, and then open the app. So on the app you have this Blue Driver app. Just click connect, go to scan tool. Right, so what you want to do here is read codes. Here you can do, this is what I said, you can do just the engine, dash lights, all system modules. Right now that's my check engine light that's on. It's not ABS modules or anything like that, so I don't need to do all system modules, which takes longer. I'm just gonna do check engine light and let it do its thing. Right, so I found 6 codes, put in the mileage here, and here you go. Right, lost communication, active exhaust valves. Click on an active exhaust valve, look online what the issue are. Sometimes on this app it's kind of neat. If it's something that's a common issue or they have a diagnosis for it, when you tap on the issue, it'll give you some details on how to fix it and potentially even description to an Amazon link for you to buy the part. In this case, it doesn't really know what to do. I know what's actually wrong with this. I'm going to fix it right myself. I just pulled the fuse for the active exhaust valve, and that throws the check engine light. So you can buy one of these yourself. You can scan it yourself. You can clear the codes yourself. I'm going to do that after I put the fuse back in, so I don't have to drive around and wait for the computer to figure it out. But the other thing is this kind of arms you with knowledge. So when you do go, so if you're not comfortable fixing this yourself, if you go to the dealership, you go to wherever you're going to get this repaired, you already know what the problem is. So if they come out and they tell you, hey, yeah, your engine's not working, you can be like, well, actually it's just an active exhaust valve that's throwing the issue. So maybe you can take a look at that instead, or go somewhere else if they're trying to scam you. Alright guys, real quick video, that was it. Thanks, hope you got something out of this. If you did, click like, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.